Hi and welcome back to the channel. So I've done it again. I brought another watch. I've sold one. I've basically sold my Seiko. I had the 710, what was it, 7010. So, which I put up on the channel for sale. So that one went, and I was looking around just to see what can I actually get out there. So it's all, you know what it's like, you're on the hunt for a watch, but you're not sure which. Because originally I was actually going to buy a Christopher Ward, but unfortunately it sold the day, just the day before I sold my watch, so I didn't end up getting it. But I seen this on eBay the other day, and I thought, well, it'd be rude not to. And as you all know, I do have a bit of a soft spot for Sinn. So here we go, we have a Sinn. Now, this model I've never had before. So you've got your standard Sinn box and a specialist patch. So this watch is a new one. We have all the paperwork in there. Let me just have a quick look at that. That's all good. And we have a 104. Now, I've never had a 104 before. So I've always had the EZM range, or say the 556s. So this will be the first time I've ever actually seen one up properly. And there we go. That's lovely. That really does look nice. So let's get it out. Everything looks like it's all correct. And there we have it. So a quick zoom in on that. So it looks really nice. Zoom out a little bit. That looks lovely. It has the new style bracelet on it, because it is quite actually a new watch. I believe it was only last year it was purchased. And it's so I say, this is the first time I've ever actually seen one of these up close. I like display case on the back. And let's have a quick feel of that bezel. Let me just bring the camera a little bit better. Here we go. That's nice. 60 click bi-directional, and that's actually very smooth. I like that. So no, that looks really good. I was quite lucky. The gentleman selling this actually runs an Instagram channel, rs_shots, and I got talking to him from there, and yeah, he does some amazing pictures on his Instagram page, some really quite impressive work. So there you go, that's a new one. Let's see if we can try it on the wrist, see if it is actually sized up. At the minute I'm wearing my Flieger, my Larco Mimmingun. I don't know if it will fit, it looks maybe a little bit small. Let's do the dive link extension. So that's just a quick look. No, looks great. It actually looks a lot better than I thought it would be. No, just looking at it, it looks really good. I like the bracelet. This is the first time I've ever had like a more polished watch. I'm always used to Sinn's being very, either the bead blast finish, or like on some of the side 556 range where it's a bit more satinized, I think you would call it. But off the top of the bat, that looks really quite nice. I'm looking forward to getting this on the wrist. I'll size it all up and get it on my wrist and actually see how it looks. But it does actually look really, really nice. So as you guys know, I'll wear it for a couple of weeks, see how it goes, and then I'll get back to you guys and do a proper full review with all my actual thoughts on it. But so far I like it. I like the contrast with the way the center links are polished, and you've got this satinized finish, like a, I'm going to say that's more like a light brushwork on the outer part. But yeah, it looks really nice. And just checking, we've got all the extra links in there. I'm really quite impressed with that. The bezel feels lovely, because as we all know, Sinn bezels aren't always the best. The best one I've had up to now, I would say, is the UX. That's got a very nice system. This feels very similar to that. It's almost like it feels like a ball bearing rather than a standard spring, because it has got a real nice click to it. But no, let's stop the movement. Let's see. Very good. Hacks. Let's try the date wheel. Well, actually, the time is set, I'll leave that. But no, I like it. Really, really impressed so far. So I'm going to size this all up, get it on my wrist, and see how we go from there. But no, it does look really nice. Looks like it's been through a few strap changes, but that's perfectly all right. That's no problem. But no, I like. That's my first Sinn 104, and I must admit, I like it. And it's always nice to get another Sinn back in the fold. As you guys know, I am a bit of a Sinn fan. I do have a few. So always good when you see a Sinn turn up. Okay then guys, all the best, and I'll do a proper review in the next few weeks. And how have I got on with it, what's the timekeeping like and so forth. But yeah, I'm really pleasantly happy with that. That's really good. Okay, see you at the next proper full review in the next week or so. All the best. Bye.